Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I would like to answer the question you guys have been asking. Do you need insurance to deliver for Uber Eats or not? So the answer is yes, you do. You must have a valid automobile liability insurance that meets state requirement. Uber also provides supplemental insurance while you are delivering, but your personal auto insurance is still initial when you are not on a delivery. So if your personal insurance does not cover your delivery driving, you'll need a additional coverage like your rideshare or delivery specific policy. So check with your insurer to make sure you're covered while delivering. So to sum it up, you do need your insurance to deliver for Uber Eats. Uber provides some coverage while you are on the job, but your professional auto insurance is still necessary, and it's a good idea to check if it covers delivery driving, and if not, look into additional coverage options as well. I hope this clears up any confusions. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.